All right, so a couple of months ago, the rotation trade got hot, but my next guest told you, hey, let's start rotating a little bit sooner than that. In fact, she got into some pretty good opportunities, particularly in industrials and healthcare. So we brought her back. That's right, SlateStone Wealth, their chief equity strategist, Erin Gibbs. And so, Erin, I was checking out your track record as we were preparing for this segment. You know, I don't see you as often as I used to. I want to give you a shout out. I mean, these are phenomenal. This is just from February. Yep. So you got a 50%, a 37%, a 34%. Again, you told the audience, let's start focusing on healthcare. My question, though, is do you ride something like this out, or do you start to take some off the table?
So these are still in the portfolio, but actually back in June, we actually reduced our healthcare weight by about a third.
Really?
So I have no problem in taking money off the table. Like a win's a win.
Right.
And again, with these, I repeat this, but with these smaller mid-cap names, you have to be a little more willing to trade them. Don't get too emotionally attached. So we'll be reevaluating them as we're coming to the end of earnings season. But they've actually been, look, they haven't been stellar in July. They're not my favorite babies.
I got you.
Now.
I got you. Hey,
but you know, they did really well for the beginning of the year.
If I had to high out somewhere and I made 50%, you know, I'd take that. So
yeah,
let's talk about the broader market, right? Well, here's the chart. I mean, you know, listen, the healthcare overall, it makes these moves, it pulls back and makes these moves.
Right.
You know, I think today it's up with Lilly leading the way. So it feels like, though, there's a limited leadership. It's like United Health, Lilly, but then these other names that we don't know of, non-household names, they pop from here.
And when they hit their earnings, particularly during earnings season, when they pop, they really pop and jump. So you got to be ready just for volatility and, you know, good days.
What about the broad market? I mean, speaking of pop, this is a really phenomenal move, particularly if you'd have asked just a month ago, a week ago, last Monday, last Tuesday.
Yep.
What do you think? Could we be at an all-time high in a week? Very few people would have said, yeah.
Exactly. I think this is very much representative of just what we're looking from the earnings stories. And fortunately for me, normally when you see that pop, you kind of get scared. But given where we are with the earnings story this so far, and we're looking at a 47% increase in earnings in the S&P 500 for this quarter, that backs up that kind of exponential pop.
Yeah, we always kind of get anxious when things are going well in general in life, but certainly in the market. And sometimes it's justified. I mean, I guess that's the thing, you know, for me, that's particularly in the last few weeks, the last couple of months, telling people it's okay for the market to be at all-time highs and go even higher if the numbers justify it.
Right, because the earnings are also at all-time highs. The growth is at all-time high. Revenue is all-time high. So there is fundamental data. This is not the 2000 bubble. You know, these are not companies that don't make money. Let's talk
about making money with some ideas now. Again, I love when you come with these stocks no one ever heard of. And you're telling me that this is a picks and shovels play for the AI trade.
Right. So in Terra Resources, it's natural gas. The reason why you use natural gas with data centers is because it's usually much faster to build versus like nuclear. It's also often cheaper. So natural gas is one of those go-to plays for a lot of data centers. And so, again, we've had a pop. It's kind of been hovering around over the past 2 months, but this company easily could go back to its March highs.
Right.
So it is a bit of a commodity play, but they've also been really great at cutting cost, and they're looking at improving margins. So just a lot of great things about this company on many different levels.
One thing I love about you is you drill down, right? I mean, you really drill, and that gives us confidence. Zeta Global, full disclosure, I do have some subscribers in the stock. You like the cash flow. We talk a lot about cash flow. You're talking about cash flow margin.
And that should be updated because last night they reported they were GAAP profitable. They made 3 cents. So yeah, the report came out. When I sent my notes, I knew I was crossing my fingers over last night's report, and they came through.
Well, the stock is reflecting a beautiful spike. It had been going sideways for a long time. I mean, could we possibly see retest like the 35, 36 number?
I absolutely think so. We're looking at, so one, they just announced a joint venture with Palantir, not a bad company to be aligned with. And then last night, they beat on EBITDA, free cash flow, raised guidance on revenues, earnings, everything you want. So I think this company is another one that we're still going to continue. All
right, before I let you go, you gave us Five Below before, but you still like it. The upgrades, the earnings estimates, the company's expanding. Is it one of these names, too, that's sort of in the economic sweet spot, considering, you know, the retail, the consumer?
Right. And so this is to address, again, you know, the K-shaped economy, how the consumers at the the bottom, and they're feeling the pinch. Obviously, inflation hurts them, and so Five Below is one of the winners.
Yeah.
And so they just opened their 2,000th store. They have 8 more plans. So Five Below, if you don't have one near you, it's coming to a mall near you.
This drives me crazy though. Yeah. My granddaughter used to drag me there like, it's just a chaotic store. Now she likes these, like she's a teenager now, so she likes these gothic kind of stores. I want to go back to Five Below. These other stores scare me. Okay, it's dark in there. Everyone's wearing dark clothes, but this one you think at least retests the high.
I absolutely could retest the high, and we're again improving margins, improving profitability, and just like a genuine growth story within this economy.
Well, you've been killing it this year.
Thank you.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
See you soon.